Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Spanish in 5.
We're Alex and Maya, and we help you learn Spanish in a simple, friendly way.
Each episode focuses on one topic with clear explanations and real examples.
Today's topic is the present tense in Spanish.
That means how to talk about what you do now, today, or in general.
Let's start with the basics.
Many Spanish verbs end in AR, ER, or IR.
These endings change when we talk about different people.
But don't worry, there is a clear pattern.
Let's look at one verb from each group.
Our first verb is hablar. It means to speak.
Let's start with yo, I. Yo hablo.
That means I speak.
Repeat, hablo.
Tú hablas. You speak.
Repeat, hablas.
Él habla. He speaks.
Repeat, habla.
Nosotros hablamos. We speak.
Repeat, hablamos.
Ellos hablan. They speak.
Repeat, hablan. Now let's use it in a sentence.
Hablo español.
Repeat, hablo español.
Now let's look at an ER verb, comer.
Comer means to eat. Yo como. I eat.
Repeat. Como. Tú comes. You eat.
Repeat. Comes.
Él come. He eats.
Repeat. Come.
Nosotros comemos. We eat.
Repeat. Comemos.
Ellos comen. They eat.
Repeat. Comen. Example sentence.
Como pizza.
Repeat. Como pizza.
Now an IR verb, vivir.
Vivir means to live. Yo vivo.
Repeat. Vivo. Tú vives.
Repeat. Vives.
Él vive.
Repeat. Vive.
Nosotros vivimos.
Repeat. Vivimos.
Ellos viven.
Repeat. Viven. Example sentence.
Vivo en España.
Repeat. Vivo en España.
Now let's make full sentences.
Listen and repeat.
Hablo español.
Como pasta.
Vivo en Madrid.
You can also add time words.
Trabajo hoy. I work today.
Estudio español cada día. I study Spanish every day.
Now it's quiz time.
Answer out loud.
How do you say I eat?
Como.
How do you say we live?
Vivimos.
How do you say they speak?
Hablan.
How do you say I speak Spanish?
Hablo español.
How do you say we eat pizza?
Comemos pizza.
How do you say I live in Spain?
Vivo en España.
Excellent work.
Today you learned the Spanish present tense. AR verbs like hablar, ER verbs like comer, and IR verbs like vivir.
You can now talk about what you do every day. Speaking, eating, working, and living.
Thanks for listening to Spanish in 5.
Keep practicing and repeat out loud. Hasta pronto!